Hey there, Internet Explorer. Ever wondered if Paysend, that cool app for sending money internationally, needs you to jump through hoops like verification? Well, that's what we're diving into today. So, grab your favorite snack, comfy seat, and let's find out together. Imagine this, you're about to send a lifeline to a loved one overseas. You open Paysend, ready to hit that send button, but then, poof! Verification pops up. What the heck? Do you really need to prove your identity to send a little cash? Let's find out. What is verification and why does it matter? Before we get into the Paysend specifics, let's quickly understand what verification is and why it's a thing. Essentially, it's a way for platforms to ensure that real, living people are using their services. This helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and all sorts of nasty stuff. Paysend and verification, a match made in heaven or a painful necessity? Now, let's talk Paysend. Does this nifty app require you to go through the verification process? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Scenario 1, casual sending. If you're just sending a small amount to a friend or family member, chances are you won't need to go through full-blown verification. Paysend might just ask for some basic information like your name and email address. It's like a quick handshake, saying, "Hey, I'm using your service." No funny business. Scenario 2, big bucks. However, if you're planning to send a larger sum of money, Paysend might get a little more serious. They might ask you to provide proof of identity, like a photo of your ID or passport. Think of it as showing your passport at customs. It's just a formality to ensure everything is above board. Factors affecting verification requirements. So, what factors influence whether or not Paysend will ask you to verify your identity? Here are a few key points to consider. Transaction amount. The bigger the amount, the more likely you'll need to verify. Frequency. If you're a frequent user, Paysend might trust you more and require less verification. Country. Depending on where you're sending money to or from, different regulations might apply. Risk assessment. Paysend's system might assess your risk based on various factors, including your transaction history. Benefits of verification. While it might seem like a hassle, verification actually has some benefits. For one, it helps protect your account from unauthorized access. It also ensures that Paysend can provide you with better customer support if something goes wrong. How to verify your Paysend account. If Paysend does ask you to verify your identity, the process is usually pretty straightforward. You'll typically need to provide a photo of your ID or passport, along with a selfie. Some platforms might also ask you to confirm your address. Tips for a smooth verification process. To make the verification process as painless as possible, here are a few tips. Have your documents ready. Make sure you have a clear photo of your ID or passport. Follow the instructions carefully. Pay attention to the specific requirements and guidelines provided by Paysend. Be patient. The verification process might take a few minutes or even a few hours. So, does Paysend require verification? The answer is, it depends. For small, occasional transactions, you might be able to skip it. However, for larger amounts or if you're a frequent user, you might be asked to provide proof of identity. Remember, verification is a security measure that helps protect your account and ensures that Paysend can provide you with a safe and reliable service. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Paysend or international money transfers, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy sending.